My name is Dr. Kailash Mantry. I am a life coach and a mental health consultant. We are from Mumbai, India. Today we will be talking on my experience with schizophrenia patient treatment. Recently we had a schizophrenia patient whose age was 23 and who was graduated from fashion designing. His history was he was giving bad words to his daddy on a regular basis. He used to fight with his daddy, sometimes scold his mother also. He used to take regular schizophrenia medicines and sleeping pills for the last 3 years. And some other doctors also gave him injections worth 10,000 rupees on a regular basis for a year. He was regularly hallucinating. He also was under the impression that there is some magic done with him and there is some ghost or multiple ghosts residing in him and using him. He had lot of attentions on his genital and was all the time complaining to his parents that somebody is playing with his genital and there is lot of pain after his genital is used by some black magic or some ghost. Their expectations were that if you are able to get him rid of all the medicines, if he can sleep without medicines, if his hallucination stops and his deep-rooted belief that there is some ghost, some spirit in him, if he can get rid of that. He himself was very disturbed and every hour he has to have some hallucination about some professors in his college who tortured him, who humiliated him, and his constant noise was that you will not be able to do anything in life, that you are a failure, that you are a part of LGBT group and you will not be able to marry, you will not be able to be successful, and all these constant talks were going on in his mind. When we scanned his body, observed his aura and did the mind mapping and also did his face reading, we had concluded that there are some juices which has been reduced from the brain, there is some minerals which were missing in his brain, and there was a constant pain at the back of his head and he had disturbance in his sleep. We stopped all his medicines within 3 days of treatment and he was very happy when we stopped his medicine. Our sleep were also disturbed. We were 5 coaches working with him. We also did not sleep for almost 20 days, but we are happy to share after 30 days of treatment we have been able to meet all the expectations of the parents and the patients. All the medicines have stopped and what we treated him for was fear, anger, frustration, sadness, negativity, doubt, depression, disconnect with the family members, blaming nature, complaining nature. He lacked confidence. He did not experience love in his life. He was very selfish, very self-centered, physically very weak, no stamina. And we talked to him. He revealed many of his private life and he also revealed that he has done masturbations very excessively. He was emotionally dead. He had no expressions on his face. Slowly, he started laughing. He started talking positively. He started knowing the importance of earning. He also got connected with his parents and he realized how much his parents were loving him and how much they had cared for him, and he started talking positively with his parents. This 30-day journeys of this treatment was very exciting and very tiring, but the end we are very happy and very excited that we have been able to save one life. Our confidence has also increased and I know world over more than 7 crore people are affected by this disease and all these patients have got no choice but to take medicines for the lifetime, and all these patients very often get suicide thoughts and many have attempted also, and some of them have become successful also in committing suicide. But these all miseries of all this schizophrenia will end very soon. We are setting up a 1,000-bed setup for the schizophrenia patients within a year, and our plan is gradually we'll increase this capacity to 50,000 beds. We also plan to create more life coaches who can help us or who can independently deal with the schizophrenia patients all over the world, and we have started taking actions in this direction. I am confident in next 10 years time, schizophrenia patients will stop taking medicines, will stop thinking of committing suicides, and will be cured at the earliest. If you have any doubts, any questions about this treatment, you can comment or call us or go to my website kailashmantry.net. You can also book an online appointment for consultancy. We do have this facility of consulting from your home on WhatsApp video call, and I can assure you that schizophrenias are curable. It's a curable disease. But if you go to a psychiatrist or if you research on Google, all medical professionals are of the opinion that this disease is not curable, and they are right that this disease is not curable through medicines. We use more than 50 therapies in curing these patients, and yes, it takes time. Minimum it takes 1 year to cure schizophrenia patients, and maximum it takes 3 years to cure the patients. Only thing is, patient should be willing and hopeful that it is a curable disease and trust us, and within 10 days all patients will be confident that this disease is curable. We have met all the expectations of the patient and their parents in these 30 days. My name is Dr. Kailash Mantry. I am in Mumbai, India.